welcome to my channel. I'm pixieraimua and in this video I'm going to show you how to get this Captain America inspired look. I'm actually going to go see Infinity War today, so I'm so excited. Got my Infinity necklace on. I'm not going like this. I just thought what better time to get this Captain America look out for you guys. Don't forget you can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter and Instagram. I'll just leave my handle down here for you. I will also leave links up in the cards. All of the other Marvel looks I've already done, so I've done Killmonger from Black Panther and I have also done Iron Man, so I will just leave the playlist up here for you. I am planning on doing some more Marvel in the future, so again they will be in the playlist once they have been uploaded. So guys, if you are liking my videos, please don't forget to smash that huge thumbs up down below. If there's any looks that you want to see me do, again just leave a comment and I will see what I can do for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. If you'd like to see how I got this Captain America inspired look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm starting very close up today because I'm going to be doing my eyes first. I've already concealed and powdered them, and obviously as you can see I have already done my brows. So to begin I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to go in with this colour here. And I'm actually going to use that as my transition colour. I know it's a very bright colour, and in real time makeup we probably would not be putting this straight into our crease, but you know, for this kind of look we'll break all the rules. And so as you can see I've done that in a nice circular motion, and I'm just going to keep building this colour up until I'm happy with the intensity. And on a clean fluffy brush I'm just going to buff out all of the edges. Then taking the Juvia's Place Mini Masquerade palette, and to begin I'm going to start using the colour Chi, and on a flat brush I'm just going to start packing that onto each edge. Now I absolutely love these shadows, but I do have quite a lot of fallout, that's why I haven't done my base yet. And then I'm actually just going to flip that brush around and go in with Dahlia. And I'm just going to start moving that further in. Just going to wet my brush. Okay, so I've just sort of blended those together. And as you can see I've just sort of joined them together here. Okay, and then on my finger I'm just going to use the colour Zola. I'm just going to place that into the middle. And again just going back in with the colour Dahlia, just to sort of blend that together. Don't want too much of this bright blue peeking through, but just wanted to give some light to the centre of the eye. Okay, like so, if you can see that kind of gradient. Okay, and then taking my NYX Epic Ink liner, just going to do a simple winged eye. And I actually just want to highlight my brow bone. So I'm going in with the Soft as Nails palette. I'm going to use this colour here. Okay, I'm going to leave the eyes there for the moment, so I'm just going to zoom you out. I'm just going to quickly do the rest of my face. I'm not going to talk you through all the steps obviously, because if you watch my videos you've seen how I do my base, but I will still film it for you so you can still see what I'm putting on my face and just what I'm doing. Okay guys, so base done. I'm just going to zoom you guys back in. So I'm just going to put a quick coat of mascara. So I'm actually going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Okay, and I'm also just going to pop on some lashes. Like so. If this eye looks a little bit red, I think my contact lens is having issues. I'm going back in with the red from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to start running that under the lash line. I'm just going to use the same brush that I used with it. That Dahlia shade again on that same brush that we used before. I'm placing that under the eye. And then taking Zola on my finger, I'm just going to pat that into my inner corner. Now for the fun parts, I'm just going to take some eyelash glue. I'm just going to place 2 dots on either side of the eyeliner without getting it in my hair. And then I actually have some star confetti, and this is a little bit bigger than I anticipated, but we can work with it. And then just placing one of those stars on each little dot of glue. Okay, like so. And then we're going under the eyes, and I'm going to take some glitter. So I've got some red and some blue and some white as well. And I'm actually just going to take a plastic container, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of each in there just so we can mix it up. Okay, so as you can see, I've mixed it all together, and this is cosmetic grade glitter as well. Please, if you are putting anything on your face, near your eyes, like glittery, then please do make sure that it is meant for your eyes, and just be super careful as it can be quite dangerous, and I wouldn't want anybody to sort of injure themselves or anything like that, so just proceed with caution. So I'm just going to use some eyelash glue. You can use glitter glue, anything like that, and I'm just going to start placing it under the eyes, and I'm going to make it come down. And then I'm just going to actually use my fingers to start pressing this on. I have a feeling I'm going to be finding this glitter for weeks. Okay guys, so this is the eyes. And then finally for the lips, I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star's Rich Blood. I'm just going to take some more of that glitter mixture and just tap onto the centre of the lip. Okay, change of plan. I just tapped the white glitter to the lips. So guys, this is the finished look. So guys, I really hope you like this Captain America inspired makeup. I know it really isn't very wearable, but you never know, you might decide to rock some blue and red glitter and some stars on your face. I'm quite pleased with the eyes actually. I quite like how vibrant they are. Yeah, I'm really enjoying doing this series. I will hopefully be doing some more of the Marvel looks as well, but I thought really fitting to get Captain America out on the release of Infinity War. So guys, if you are liking my videos, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below. Just hit the notification button as well, and you'll be notified every time I upload. But thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye.